Hello, let's see how to add users in One-Click Survey who will be able to edit and access our survey. Editors can be added via the button Add/Edit, located to the right of the survey name, by clicking on or in the tab Edit, Settings, Editor Access. On 1ka.si, we can only add users who are already registered on 1ka.si, and on 1ka.arnes.si, we can only add users who are already registered on 1ka.arnes.si. Users can be added in this box under the section Add Users that can edit survey. Here we enter the email addresses they are registered on 1ka with, each in its own line. We can also add a custom message. After clicking on Grant Access, users will be notified of their access via their email addresses, and the survey will automatically appear in their My Surveys tab among their other surveys. In the section Users with Access to Survey, we can see and edit users. By clicking on the pencil icon to the right of the user, we can determine which tabs the user has access to, whether they can export data and unlock the survey, or we can limit their access to conducting telephone surveys only. Once we have finished editing the settings, we save the changes. We remove the user by unchecking them and saving the changes. This was a display of adding and editing survey editors in One-Click Survey.